Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another video. So in this video we will doing the unboxing of the Nokia C21, and this is a budget phone from Nokia, and this phone is launched in February internationally, but we got this phone in October last month. So the price of the Nokia C21 is 19,500 PKR. So in this price range we have a 2 GB of RAM with a 32 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the gray color. This phone is made in Pakistan, also says manufactured in Pakistan. I don't know what this does mean. So on the back we have some more specification about the phone. This phone has a 6.5 inch 720p plus with 60 Hz refresh rate display. This phone has a 3000 mAh battery size inside a 6.5 inch display phone. That's really disappointing. This phone has a 8 megapixel autofocus rear camera with a 5 megapixel selfie camera. This phone has a fingerprint scanner and Face ID, and this phone will support 2 years of security updates. So without any wasting time, now let's quickly unbox this phone. And the specification about this phone, it is not really excellent. I don't recommend this phone. I'm saying you in the start. In this price range we have Redmi A1 Plus in the Pakistan market in the same price range. So the wrapper is off. Again, it's the box of the Nokia C21. Let's remove this seal like this. Now let's open this box. So here is our 1-year warranty card. Here is our device, Nokia C21. Now let's out the phone from this box. And the unboxing experience, it is average, nothing special. So here is our device, Nokia C21 in the gray color, and the back, it is made up of plastic, and you can see on the back we have a single camera 8 megapixel with a fingerprint scanner. Also we have a speaker on the back side, not on the bottom. So now let's see what else we get other than the phone. So first thing, we got this. So inside this we have a battery, and you can see, yes, this phone has a removable back, so you have to insert the battery inside the phone. Old days is here. So here is our silicone case. Also we have a quick start guide. We also get hand free. That's really good thing. USB A to micro USB, no type C on this phone. So here is our charger, and guys, and this is a 5-watt normal adapter. This phone does not support any kind of fast charging. Open its back. So now let's insert the battery, and this phone has a pretty big battery. We have 3000 mAh battery size. In this price range we should see a 5000 mAh battery size at least, but anyways, now let's insert the battery into the phone like this. Now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see the physical overview. This phone is running on again Android 11, which is a Go edition. So on the bottom we have micro USB port, microphone. On this side we have nothing. On the top we have headphone jack. So on this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button. It does not have any SIM tray on this phone, because so you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged support. And guys, on the phone it is on after almost 2 minutes. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. You can see the display, it is really bad. We have really big bezels. Bottom chin, it is, I would say, the biggest I ever seen. So here's the first boot of the Nokia C21, and you can see, and the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a really bad display. Here is the maximum brightness on this phone. The display, it is really bad. And now let's see about phone. So this phone is running on Android 11, Go edition of Android 11, lighter version of the original Android 11 software. So we have a 32 GB of internal storage out of 25.99 GB. It is available for you guys. And the bezels, it is really big on this phone, the biggest that I ever seen in a modern smartphone. So now let's look at the camera. This phone has a 8 megapixel selfie camera. Let me show the camera UI. So here's the camera UI looks like. We have panorama mode, we have video mode, and you can see we does not have any resolution option, and you can see. So now let's look at the front facing camera. This phone has a 5 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see selfie camera, it is completely trash on this phone. So guys, over up to today, you can see this phone is running on Unisoc SoC. The performance in the UI it is. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you don't like this video because of this, the Nokia C21. I don't know why Nokia is bringing this phone in the Pakistan market with this specification. Every single thing about this phone, it is really bad. I don't recommend this phone. And the fingerprint scanner, it is also not the fastest. It take 1 second. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.